Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to recover missing panels in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I'm going to remove a couple of panels from my workspace. I'm going to remove the Effect Controls panel and the Toolbar. To get any missing panels back, simply go up to the Windows menu and find the panel that you're missing. In this case, mine is Effect Controls. Simply click on it, and there you have it. My Effect Controls is now restored. But bear in mind that if you want to see your controls for the video footage that you're wanting to edit, simply click on the video footage in your timeline, and then you'll see your Effect Controls. In my case, I'm missing my toolbar too, so I want to go back up to Window, and then I'll go down to the bottom and select Tools. This will restore my Tools panel, but you might find you have to resize it back to its normal size. Moving on, let's say your workspace is all rearranged and messed up, and possibly has some panels missing as well. Don't worry, because there's an easy fix to restore the default layout for your workspace. Simply go up to Window again, click on Workspaces, and down the bottom, click Reset to Saved Layout. And there you go, your default workspace is now restored. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.